Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Whop. So in order to withdraw your money from Whop, you will have to first of all set a payment method. So first of all, you need to come on whop.com, and over here by default you will be on the home page, but you need to simply click on your profile icon in the bottom left hand corner of the screen, and over here you need to first of all click on balance. Now in your balance you will see all of your balance that you have made, basically the money that you have made over here. And in order to withdraw that money into your bank account, you will have to set up a payment method. Now you just have to simply click on the payment method, and after that you just have to simply select your country or your region. Once you do this, it will redirect you on your Stripe account, where you just have to simply create your Stripe account there. So you need to provide your Stripe account login credentials if you already have an account on Stripe, or you just have to simply provide your email address here and then click on the submit option. Then you just have to provide further details like your personal information and some of your banking details as well. Basically, you will have to set up your Stripe account completely, and only then you will be able to get that money in your bank account. So once you successfully verified your Whop account, this withdraw to bank account option will be activated. So once you click on this option, you just have to simply place your order and you will get that money in your bank account directly. Now if you face any kind of problem while withdrawing your money from whop.com, I would highly recommend you to click on this chat option, and over here you can ask your query like you are facing the problem while withdrawing the money from Whop, and they are going to help you in this regard. The community is going to help you for that. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.